Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy: how to deposit a check using the Ally Bank mobile app. Whether you're a busy professional or just someone who prefers the convenience of mobile banking, this quick guide will have you depositing checks from anywhere in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Ally Bank app downloaded on your smartphone. If you haven't already, head to your app store, search for Ally Bank, and install it. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your username and password. Security is key, so double-check that you're on a secure network. Now, once you're logged in, look for the main menu. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Deposit or Mobile Deposit option. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to enter the check amount, so grab your check and type in the exact dollar figure to avoid any errors. Next, it's time to snap a photo of your check. The app will guide you. Position the check on a flat surface with good lighting, and use the app's camera feature to take clear pictures of both the front and back. Make sure the entire check is visible and not crooked for a smooth process. After you've taken the photos, review them carefully. The app might ask you to endorse the check by signing the back in writing, for mobile deposit only. Once everything looks good, hit the Submit or Deposit button. You'll get a confirmation screen showing your deposit details. And just like that, you're done. It usually takes a day or two for the funds to be available, but you'll receive an email or an app notification once it's processed. Remember, always keep the original check safe until you're sure the deposit has gone through, and shred it afterward to protect against fraud. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay savvy with your finances. See you next time.